Dude, don't you hate about this old house, dude? Like every time I watch it, they're never in the ghetto.
Yeah, sucks real bad.
What the fuck you doing about that, dude?
Nothing. Watching the show. Excuse me.
Dude, what the fuck, man?
What?
I'm coughing my shirt.
At least I said excuse me.
But you coughed in my shirt.
I covered my mouth.
With my shirt.
Your shirt, my shirt.
No, this is my shirt.
Well, it don't matter.
It does matter. You coughed in my
I
shirt.
said I'm sorry.
Damn. I made a commentary about a show. You coughing in my shirt and shit. Oh, hell no, dude.
That wasn't your shirt.
That was my hair.
You said your shirt, though.
You sneezed in my hair and coughed in my shirt.
Well, I mean, I couldn't do the same thing with your hair, with your shirt.
Why did you sneeze in my hair and then cough in my shirt?
I'm sorry. I have a cold. At least, I didn't go like this, grab your shirt and go,
You sick motherfucker.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Look at that.
I know.
That's nasty.
Look closer.
Dude, come on, man.
I mean, we're watching a nice show.
Dude, you fucking disgust me. Ah! What the fuck,
Not
man?
your face, not your hair or your shirt.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Well, I couldn't sneeze on the TV.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, look at that little green one right
Dude!
there. Yeah, well, now we got matching shirts. Pretty cool.
Ah! What the fuck?
I told you I'm sick. I got a cold.
Dude. Ah!